Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. Whether you're a long-time fan or new to the crew, I'm excited to have you join me on this journey. So let's go into the video for today. So welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use the hair curler to get this gorgeous bouncing curls you've been dreaming of. And whether you're a beginner or you're just looking to improve your curling technique, I've got you covered. So here I've already brushed the hair, the extension, and I applied cream to make it smooth and shining, and I'm going to brush it again after applying the cream just to get that texture, the soft texture that I want. So I will walk you through each step from how to hold your curler to getting the perfect curl. So this is the bag, this is the curler that I use. It's in the bag, and I have different sizes from the biggest to the smallest, and I'm going to show you the different sizes I have, and I have a spiral curler as well. So this is the biggest one in the bag, and I have the second to the biggest one, and I have the medium, the small one, and the tiny one as well. But for today's hair I'm going to be using the biggest one and the second to the biggest one. So these are the sizes that I've got in the bag. Yes, I've got the semi smaller one, and that the yellow one is actually the smallest one in this bag. So I'm going to show you I'm going to make use of this today, but because of this hair we're making today, I'm going to make use of the big curler and the semi and the second one close to it, just to get that gorgeous bouncy curls we've all been dreaming of. So let's go. So I've picked it from the bag into my my chest, what's it called, my chest bag, so it can be easy for me, and then it can make work easier for me. I'm holding on to the curler and I'm going to twist around it. I'm going to twist around, yes, round and round the curler. I twist it round so I can get the very curl part. Some people do it smooth, some people do it straight, but for the hair I'm doing today, I turned around and twisted around, and then I locked it in. So for this color, I think you should be able to get it on Amazon, because I got it on Amazon. So I'm using the biggest one as well. So I'm taking the braids one by one. Some people combine it together so they can save time, but I tend to take my time as well. So this is another type of curls that I'm doing, and some people would make it flat while some people twist it. So it depends on the curls your client wants, and it depends on the one you feel like, okay, today let's try this. But for today's video, I won't be doing the flat curls. I'm gonna be doing the twisted curls instead. So let's do this. So you hold on to it, you twist around like you're doing a twisting, you twist around, round, and then you roll it around the curler. You roll it till the braid end, to the end of the braid. That is what you do, and then you lock it back in. So that is secured, and we're gonna do it like 2 or 3 times so you guys can see what I've done. As you guys saw, that came off, and the reason is either the braids is too short or the braids are bigger and sharper than the curler. So in that situation, is either you use like a pin to hold it, or you twist it again to make it stay. Yeah, it depends on the size of the braids as well. That can be really confusing, but if you're used to your curler, you will know how to undo it. So that came off as well because the braid is a bit short. So don't be concerned, don't be worried if you're not getting it first time. It takes time. It took me time as well for me to know how to use this perfectly. So is totally normal. So yes, I've put the curlers on the left, on the first side, so I can put it in hot water and then do the other side as well. So this is all the curls in, and I'm gonna put it in hot water in a minute. Please be very careful with your clients. Some clients are really scared of hot water, so you need to talk them through it. Like, okay, you know, like how I did here, I told my client, rest your head, don't move until I tell you to move, because I'm going to put hot water in your head. So you need to talk them through it, because some people are scared of hot water. And also the steaming, the heat as well can be very how will I say it, difficult, very hard for some people to manage. So you have to talk them through it, try to blow the steam off their scalp, you know. So this is a very important part of making hair with curlers. And yes, I've put in hot water, and as you can see, I'm trying to secure it so it won't touch my client's neck or her clothes, because she was very scared. So yeah, be very careful with hot water. So yes, I'm putting it in a jug so I can get through to all the curls, because if you don't put everything in hot water, some will come out well and some will come out not well. So let us try and put it and dip it enough in hot water. But please, I keep repeating it, be careful with hot water. If you're a beginner, it's a lot of work and you need to concentrate and focus when you're doing this part, because they can actually sue you. I'm joking, I don't know about that. So let's just be very careful with the hot water. So yes, after the hot water, just try and twist it out, twist the curler out, and then see the result, see what came out. But if you pull it out, you're going to destroy the curls. So please try and take your time to pull it to twist it out, not pull it out, please. So I used the pin to hold the hair, because the hair was short, because I didn't want to waste the client extension. So I used the pin to hold it in place because the thing was short. But yes, you can do that as well, just to save your. So don't pull it out. No, please don't. Please do not pull it out, because you're going to destroy the curls, and this curl should last this client throughout. It should last this client throughout. So please don't pull it out, but instead twist it out. Alright, so when you're trying to separate the curls, probably you join two together. Please be mindful of that as well, because that's very important. Please don't pull it like the way I'm doing. No, please don't pull it, but instead just do it gently so the curls can stay the way it is, because this should last the clients for the time they're gonna have this hair on. Yeah, so please try and separate the curls properly. So I'm trying to trim the little hair that I see, because I don't burn my client's hair. Some people use candle and everything to burn it just to make it look neat. No, I don't. I take my time to trim it out, because it's actually not good at all. So I don't burn it. I'll make a video on it as well to show you guys how I do it instead of burning it. So now I trim every strand. Here's the final look. I'm still going to trim it because what this client wants was the short one. Thank you very much. Please like and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification. Thank you.